guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I kind of gotta make this quick because I literally have class now. Today is January 29th and it's Thursday. Time is now 11:45 and I basically got class at 12:10. This vlog is gonna be a road trip vlog. We're going on a road trip. It's a 6 to 7 hour drive. So yeah, you know, all that stuff that's behind me, that's everything I'm taking with me. I think I want to take my mirror with me as well, but I don't know how I'm gonna get that in the car just yet. I'm gonna get everything figured out. I'm gonna get my whole car packed up, and then that's probably the next time I'm going to be back. I'm really not sure, but before I do get on the road, I do have to go pick up my packages, do a little mini PR unboxing with you guys. I have to get gas because I'm on 90 miles of gas. I'm not gonna record me at school because I like to keep my videos very organized and separate. And make sure you follow me on all my social media, linked down below. All my social media is the same thing. Just look up my name and you find me. Yeah, make sure you subscribe and let's get on this road trip. I am very excited. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back, ho. Okay, maybe you're not a hoe. Maybe I'm projecting. Let me get going, seriously. Alright y'all, so I'm finished pumping my gas and whatever. I'm gonna give me some sheets since I'm already at sheets, and I'm gonna just put my scarf and my bonnet and stuff on because I didn't really get to finish my hair. It really looks like my scalp. Am I delusional or am I delusional? Alright y'all, so I'm in the store. I ordered my food and I got my chips I want. I already got some water in the car, so I don't really too much need that. I straightened up the car already. I just gotta pay for my stuff and then I'll be on my way there. Your girl gonna eat, seriously. Please take a seat. I don't know if I should wait in the car or wait in here. Yeah, when I do get in the car, the first thing I'm gonna do is and then be on my way. Philly, here we come. It's 10:57. Today is January and today is Friday. So it's basically the first official day I'm here. I know it's gonna make you bad. What would I do? If I didn't love you, babe? What would I do? If I didn't love you, babe? Alright, so I just got out the movies. The movies was a good 8 out of 10. It was a really long movie, and at the end of the movie, what made me mad is I discovered that I could put my seat up and my feet up, my seat back and my feet up, and the seats were heated, so it was just okay, learned that at the last minute, but I'm not too mad about it. Not mad about it at all, actually. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning on whatever I'm doing tomorrow. But y'all, it's really cold outside, so I'm not gonna do no walking and talking. It's cold as full, okay? So, bye. Today is Monday, February 2nd. I was supposed to go back today, but I didn't go back today. A lot of stuff happened over the weekend, and me and him was literally beefing. I wasn't beefing with him, but he was beefing with me, and I wasn't feeling it, so I didn't go out. I'm not going out if I'm not in the mood, So I stayed and I went to sleep, and that's what happened. And yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna go out. probably gonna go to the mall first. But yeah, I gotta be quick. I'll be back in a little bit. The car is currently stuck, so I gotta try to get the car unstuck. This right here, y'all, this smells so good. Like, yeah, I might get this. This is the one right here. So I forgot to record me eating. I was being big. I'm sorry. Hey guys, today is February 3rd. Today is February 3rd. It's 6:16. I've just been picking up the camera when I've been like doing stuff other than like sleep or my homework. Today is basically my last day here, so yeah, we getting towards the end of the vlog and whatnot. Yeah, we finna go out and you finna go out with me and we finna go out together. I'm hangry. I haven't ate nothing all day. I have a big old jacket on, literally because it's cold out there. And just my boots. Okay, so don't make fun of my outfit, okay? So don't say nothing. I don't know. Checking a little bit whenever I'm doing something. I want this one. I'm gonna name you little fella. Yeah, I'm at vanilla and pink, whatever this is. Oh, good. Smell this. I want this instead. This smells really good. Hello. Actually, I'm like, oh my god, it's really good. Okay, good. Never know.